Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at Excel. Excel is a very important program. It is especially used in data storage where you have a lot of things to store, in making report cards, and many other things. So this is what an Excel sheet looks like. It's just like a book, just that you have it partitioned in many different. Now these ones are called cells. We're seeing there is this green highlight. It's called a cell. So you're seeing as I'm moving the cursor. Also the name here keeps on changing. So the name of the cell is C3. So you start with a column and the row where it belongs. So that's how you name our cells in Excel. Excel is very important. It can be used in making a report cards. Like I said, data storage. When you have so many things, even in hospitals, it's used in very many places. You can put here the name of your patient, age, sex, the diagnosis, medication, you get. Now making report cards also, you put the names, the marks, the subjects and marks of course. So it is something very important. So for Excel, just as you have in your book with many pages, here we also can have as many sheets as we want. Actually, these things are so many that they're almost endless. You realize that when you finish A to Z, it's now starting A, B, like that, like that. So it has so many cells, very many. So in case you feel like that one, you're done using it, you want another sheet, let's say you want to make another document, you can click on here and it brings you to the second sheet. So you can see it has very many. You can create as many as you want. Yeah, it's just that. And then, yeah, so that is that. So there is nothing. Maybe I tell you a few things in Excel. Like if you want to, let's say, maybe you want to insert a cell. Let's say I typed something here and you want to put maybe another one. So you go up there. That is still in home. There is insert, which is supposed to insert another cell. So you choose inserting cells. Do you want to insert a row or a column? Because now if you insert a row, it's going to insert like above this one. If you want to insert columns, it may insert like on your left. If you want to insert a sheet, it's going to give you another sheet. Let's say you're in sheet 1 or sheet 2. It's going to give you another sheet in between the two. So that's how it is. If you want to delete, you also come here. Now, what do you want to delete? You want to delete rows, a column, or a whole sheet? Let's say I want to delete sheets. So you can see it has deleted sheet 1. Okay? It deletes the sheet where you are. If you want to delete a cell, it also deletes the cell where you are. Then maybe in case you want to format, like increasing, you get like the size of your cells. Yeah? If you want to make yours by default. I mean, if you want to you customize your own, not using the default one. So that's what you can do. You go there to formatting. Now, in most cases, the cells that we use, these things are like this. Everything is like this. But let's say you're doing some work. It is best that you put a border in the part where you're working. So you click on that area that has your work and then you put all borders. So now you see, when I move my cursor to another part, you can see that it has been highlighted. So that is how you put a border in the space that you're using. You highlight the entire thing and then you go here to the borders. Then you choose it. But in most cases, it's better to use the all borders such that you can highlight your work properly. Show that the different things. Now these are normal things that we know. The font, the size, and then the format in which you want your work. Yeah. So these are now things that we know. Let's see if there are others. Uh-huh. Now, usually, in most cases, you'll find that you're storing data, in most cases, the numerical way. So sometimes you require to insert charts. They could be the graphs, a line graph, bar graph, pie chart, many different types. So you come here to insert, they're here. Anything that you want to insert, they're here. Then, in case you want to draw it manually, we also have this option. Let's see what we have in page layout. Page layout, this one gives us margins of how big do you want your thing to be. Now this one is the normal size of our margins. Let's see if in case we make it wider, how would it look? And I've seen the difference it has brought. It has divided our sheet. So let's go back to the normal one. Then orientation. Now for orientation, you have the portrait and the landscape. You can see the difference between them. The size, it's the same thing. The size of your sheet, how big do you want it to be? Now this one is on your printing. Page breaks, when you want to insert a page break, okay? Then background. This one requires it to be connected to the internet, such that you can make the changes in the background that you want. Yeah, so then the formulae here. So sometimes you may want to do calculations. Most of the formulas are here. Right now, these are mathematical formulas. You see? Not only that, there are many others. Then there can even be those ones for, let's see, more functions are here. Statistical engineering, there are very many. Anything you want is up there. So, and then also other formulae, if you want to find them, you can just type them here. Yeah. You put the equal sign, you type the formula that you want, but now those are the functions. It can be the if function, some, the average, what there are very many. We shall see how to use them as we are going ahead in this topic. Yeah. So there is really using Excel is not difficult. It is actually something very easy. Yeah, so those are the major things, those are the important things that you need in Excel as you are learning Excel. Yeah, so thank you very much. I think that is all I have for you for the introductory part to Excel. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.